Don't invest with the person that has everything already because you're inspired. Invest with the person that is willing to do anything to get everything that they want. Why would the one that has everything risk to keep moving forward to give you the life that you want? But the one that has nothing will do anything it takes and risk it all to have the life that they deserve. People are chasing the money with a poor mindset, only going in circles to be poor on the outside. So go get poor on the outside. Then you have a rich mindset. Then only after will you make the right decisions to find the right way to create wealth. Wealth is created with debt, but you're out there looking for money. Go get poor. Then only